There comes a time in every journey when the road gets rough, when the dream feels distant, when the fire that once burned bright begins to flicker. In those moments, many choose to stop, to turn around, to give up. But not you, because you know this is where the real battle begins. This is where warriors are forged. This is where you fuel the fight. Fuel the fight when no one's watching. Fuel the fight when the world doubts you. Fuel the fight with every failure, every fall, every scar. Let your past be your spark. Let your pain be your power. Let your fear become fuel. You see, the fight isn't just in the ring. It's in the early mornings you choose discipline over excuses. It's in the quiet moments when you silence doubt with belief. It's in the lonely nights when you keep going, even when no one's clapping. That's the fight. And the fuel, it's within you. They told you that you couldn't, that you weren't strong enough, smart enough, fast enough. But you're still here, still rising, still proving them wrong. Not with words, but with action. Every drop of sweat, every tear, every sacrifice, it all fuels the fight. Rejection isn't the end, it's a redirection. Failure isn't defeat, it's fuel. Every no you've ever heard adds more fire to your yes. The world doesn't owe you easy. The climb won't be smooth, but if you want it, really want it, you'll find a way. You'll become the way. Remember, everyone's fighting something, but what separates the ordinary from the extraordinary is what they do when the fight gets hard. Do they fade, or do they feed the flame? You fuel the fight. With every step forward, with every ounce of effort, with every refusal to quit. This fight is yours. You don't need approval. You don't need a crowd. You don't need everything to be perfect. You just need heart. Unshakable, unbreakable, unstoppable. You are more capable than you think. You are stronger than you've been told, and you are closer than you realize. So don't stop now. Not when the fire's just getting started. Let the struggle shape you. Let the grind grow you. Let the journey refine you. And never forget, you are not here just to survive. You are here to rise, to conquer, to ignite. And when your tank feels empty, when you think the fire's gone out, look around, look within. You'll find strength in the people beside you. You'll find courage in the purpose that wakes you. And you'll find power in the fire you've been building all along. The fight isn't always loud. Sometimes it's silent. Sometimes it's subtle. Sometimes it's just showing up. Every time you choose to fight, you choose to grow. You choose to lead. You choose to live fully. So let them say what they want. Let them doubt. Let them laugh. Because you're not fueled by their approval. You're fueled by purpose, by passion, by persistence. So keep going, keep climbing, keep swinging, keep believing. You're not done yet. The best chapters are still being written. And the fire within you, it's unstoppable because you fuel the fight.